Wait, let's have a fight button safe. Anybody want money?
Not everybody bought rocket guys.
You want some money, bro?
Oh shoot!
I killed safe zone.
You killed bro in safe zone.
And if you walk outside to get your cook, I promise you right now.
You're cooked. What's gonna happen? You're cooked.
No.
I'm following you wherever you go. I went outside. Do it again. It's not because you.
Oh shoot! Did I actually kill him? No, I actually killed him with the bomb from there. Like, how was the odds of that, bro? Their Wi-Fi is so loggy.
Okay, I'll go outside. Go outside.
Like Animal Company is crazy.
15 seconds. Look, I'm just outside. You missed. Nah, everybody shoot him. Make him go out of the safe zone. Make him go out of the safe zone.
Oh damn, I missed.
Everybody, kill him.
Who wants to hear my announcement?
Yes.
Who wants to hear my announcement? I just lost my dog. Oh crap! I died. No, bro, this Animal Company is crazy. Like, I literally just.
Get him out of this corner.
Oh dang! Chill out.
Oh yeah, you just did it.
Well, I didn't exactly just get the game. Well, I did, but I just learned a money glitch because I was poor.
I bet. Get inside the map. You want to stay there, right? Wait, yeah, let's stay.
Oh, who's the modder in this lobby, bro? Alright, I'm back.
What happened, dude? What happened? All I need is a flare gun.
I don't know.
I thought you wanted to stay there.
Oops.
Give me a flare gun. I'll stay there. But I'll be up.
I exactly did a money glitch today.
And if no one kills me, I am Timothy of Timothy. What's that say something? What's that say? You scared? Yeah, no, alright. Bro, my.
Oh shoot!
Screen, bro.
No, I died. Crap, I missed.
Yeah,
I'm dead.
I'm not safe zone.
That sucks.
Right now, also. Yeah, did you
My screen! You wanna get live? You wanna get live, chat?
I think he wants to be live. Lag me all you want.
Oh shoot! I did not get enough to kill him right there. Oh, so you want to try to kill me now? Where's he at? Wait, where's he at? Oh, almost went into that. Oh, the modder here, bro.
You're not crashing my game.
No,
I found a grenade.
Come here. Oh my god. Look at that freaking baby.
Poe's gonna kill me. Oh shoot. I'm gonna kill me. No cap, I actually just died. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.